What's up, everybody? It's the homie Truth Teller, the Street Reporter. I got another update. We've been updating FBGDuck case every day to the point where, it's other news going on. But this is top story. People want to know about this. We get news damn near daily, inside the courtroom. Ain't no cameras in there. You either got to go there, know somebody who inside the courtroom, or keep up through the, like the news and shit. I got some stuff I want to tell you about that I don't see on the news. I do see some people posting about this, but I don't see it on the news. And everybody don't follow everybody. So if you follow me, I'm finna give you the news. Mama Duck got put out of FBGDuck trial, So we finna talk about that. Hit the like button. We need a lot of likes on this video. And it's not to get the clout, not to be cool on YouTube, but it's to push this video all the way up to the top so people can see what's going on inside of that courtroom. Duck was a big drill legend. Now reports is coming out that, while David, the guy who from Oblock, who like an ex-Oblock member who told the police everything about Oblock, while that was going on, that kind of took over the internet. Nobody really paid attention that, the police and shit put Mama Duck out of FBGDuck trial. She came up there, according to sources. She went up there and, they search everybody. You go in there, even though it's a courtroom, they search them motherfuckers, make sure nobody coming in there with nothing. And I guess they found some marijuana, some weed on Mama Duck. I'm not sure how much they found. Was it a dub, a 20, a personal, a 3.5, a half? I'm not sure. But they, I guess, wrote her a ticket or something like that and told her she has to leave out the courtroom today. She wasn't kicked out the whole trial, but I think she was put out for that day. I do believe they're going to allow her to come back today. I do believe today is going to be another trial date, so I do think they're going to let her back in today. I just think this is like a one-day thing. They found marijuana on her. That's crazy. But this the crazy part. In Chicago, weed is legal. So you can actually buy weed at the dispensaries. There's a battlefield courtroom and shit like that. So it ain't like she really broke rules or broke laws. It's just that she shouldn't have it on her going in that courtroom. So if they put her out. That's crazy because it seemed like, they kind of on everybody tough. It don't seem like they're playing Mama Duck and them like the victim, even though I do think they are, but it kind of seemed like they hard on everybody. I was told that the feds, the police, and everybody didn't like the fact that that shit happened downtown. They were mad at Duck too. They felt like Duck brought some of that energy downtown. Remember, the mayor said Duck fancied himself as a gang member. So they was already doing research and, doing their homework about Duck and shit like that. So I kind of felt like, the feds been pushing and been strong on Mama Duck and them real hard too. Now don't get me wrong, the feds say this gang banging shit. Duck was a gang member, Oblock were gang members allegedly. So things happen is what they saying. But, it didn't feel like the feds were on Duck and their mama side in the beginning. Now I kind of feel like they are riding with them. But I don't got a lot of information. I wanted to tell you that Mama Duck got found with some marijuana on her going inside the courtroom, and they told her she had to get out. That's crazy. That guy David was on the stand. He talked about E-Dog. He talked about all kind of shit. He talked about Money Duke, Boss Top. He said those are the leaders of the game. Even though those guys haven't been arrested on this trial, they still, had an opportunity to hear about their name because David brought it up. We all know about the stories of him lying, saying that the Oblock killed his brother. That's the reason why he didn't want to testify. He been telling this story for a long time. There's a lot of people in the world that pay attention to the drill culture that felt like Oblock had something to do with little David brother being killed. Come to find out, he was telling that lie for about 4 or 5 years. That's crazy. Now, we don't know if it's the truth, and maybe he just turning his back on it because he don't want to talk too much about it, or we don't know. But according to the feds, David admitted that he lied on Oblock about them killing his brother on the witness stand. This is deep, but subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna keep you updated on this. But they put Mama Duck out the courtroom because she had some weed on her. But I do believe they're gonna let her back in. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tell me the truth. Blech.